video is about removing pop-ups by the site Warehopi.online. Warehopi.online. It's a resource that attempts to infect your browser with the feature of push notifications. It tries to make you click on the allow button for that purpose. Indeed, the pop-up might look as some video file that you're supposed to watch, and it tells you to click on allow to continue watching. But the problem is that there is no any video behind it. This is a trick that simply tries to deceive you a lot. Also, the pop-up is able to switch the browser into the full screen mode. Well, you may simply press the escape button on your keyboard to get out of that mode. Now, when the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets forwarded to the great number of third-party websites, and this is extremely dangerous. If you have clicked on allow, you need to go to the menu, click on settings. Now scroll down to site settings, go to notifications and check the allow area very carefully. If you find some of these suspicious pages here, be sure to remove them all completely. After this has been successfully accomplished, I also recommend double checking your Mac with our Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database. First of all, this process might take a while, and then you may click on Start Combo Scan, and the program will initiate free research of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on review results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific thread manually, so one thread at a time. And this is the free way to remove threads manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.